EDO 2020. Irakhor community no go disappoint you. Na the Ogiamu of Irakhor na im tell Obaseki this one. The traditional ruler of Irakhor community for Irakhor Central Local Government Area of Edo State is Royal Highness Jackson Etohana, the Ogiamu of Irakhor. Don talk saying go mobilize all in people to vote the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for the September 19, 2020 election where the waka come so to take ensure the re-election of Governor Godwin Obaseki and in deputy Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu. The Ogiamu of Irakhor talk this one when Governor Godwin Obaseki lead members of the Edo PDP governorship campaign train go in palace. The traditional ruler come pray say make katakata and kilikili no day for this election, come still call on the relevant agencies of government wey be Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and police say make dem ensure say the election dey peaceful, fair and credible. King Etohana come talk say even if he be say as a traditional ruler, he no suppose show special support for any candidate. He must still tanda gidigba on top better governance matter for the state, and this one no go make him people follow APC. He still assure Governor Obaseki say Irakhor people no go disappoint am, sake of say all of them don ready to do everything possible to deliver the wait-and-see governor for the election wey the waka come so. He yarn say traditional rulers na people wey dey stand by anything wey dem don already talk, and even if he no go field on election day, he go direct him subject on top the correct thing to do. Governor Godwin Obaseki talk say wetin bring am come their community na to come greet Irakhor people and to tell them say make dem support am well for the election wey the waka come so, may he fit finish all the ogbonge things wey he don start for him first term. Come reassure them say him administration go continue to pursue people-oriented projects and reforms wey go make Edo people life better. This one na the ogbonge informate wey we don carry come give una on top inside Edo today, as the Ogiamu of Irakhor don tell Obaseki say Irakhor people no go disappoint am. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Oiza Aboriogun.